Hey everybody, we've got some fake pictures of DJI drones. Let's talk about it. So I keep seeing photos of this Air 3S. I'm like, that doesn't make any sense. It's gonna be the Air 4. And well, now we know DJI actually has told us that the leaked image that we saw of what looked like a promotional photo for a DJI Air 3S is not legit. It's either a Photoshop job or something else, but DJI actually came out and said that it was fake, which is not something that they commonly do. What they didn't say was fake was the details that we've been seeing about the Air 4. So that lends me to believe that even more so, we're gonna be getting this drone. Not this drone, this is the Mavic 2 Pro. But what we will be getting is the Air 4. And the reason that I think that this is a good drone to use as a demonstration is because this drone is the first that they came out with a 1-inch sensor, where the sensor, the optics, were really a huge priority for this drone. This is why I love this drone, this is why I fly with it all the time still. And not only will the Air 4 be coming with 1-inch sensor, but 2 1-inch sensors. So we'll actually be getting both a 70mm zoom in a 1-inch 48 megapixel sensor, but we're also going to be getting that standard 24mm equivalent field of view with a 1-inch 48 megapixel sensor. Both of those sensors are going to be coming with variable aperture controls, another feature first introduced on the Mavic 2 Pro. And while I traditionally, especially on a sunny day like this, would fly my drone with an ND filter, it's always nice once you get up in the air to be able to adjust the aperture up and down just a little bit to both affect the depth of field as well as the amount of light hitting your sensor. The other improvement that we're seeing on the Air 4 is the larger battery. And that larger battery is going to add another 4 or 5 minutes to flight time. Whereas right now we're seeing 45 to 46 minutes, you'll probably be seeing flight time over 50 minutes. Both cameras will have the ability to shoot stills at 48 megapixels or bin down to 12 megapixels for improved low light performance. And you're going to be getting 4K 120 and Full HD 240 in both cameras with HEVC 10-bit log shooting. The other thing that we know is that it's going to have improved obstacle avoidance. Now, while the Air series does traditionally come with the 360 avoidance, unlike, say, the Mini that only has the forward, up, and down, forward, up, down, back. It doesn't have 360, we know that. But that the Air series will continue to have 360-degree obstacle avoidance and that it will be significantly improved, likely through an improvement in both the cameras that it's using for that and in the processor that they're using on this camera, which will definitely need a bump in capability with those larger, more powerful sensors. No info yet if we're going to be getting a bitrate update. Right now, shooting at 150 megabits per second on the Air 3. And also no word as to whether or not we're going to be getting an improvement in speed, but I'm sure we'll also be getting some really fun, new, intelligent features. Probably still sticking with OcuSync 4 with the same 8-kilometer, I think it's 8 kilometer. I'll put that on the screen if it's wrong, 8-kilometer distance. And I think it'll come out of the box with support for the RC, the hand controller, and the goggles that just came out with the Avata 2. Anyway, that's it. I wanted to make a quick video because there was a lot of, I don't know, there seemed to be a lot of dust kicked up on the internet over the last 24 to 48 hours about this leaked image and it being said to be false. But so far, I think we're pretty clearly going to be getting an Air 4, and I think those are going to be the specs. But we'll see when it actually comes out, but that is what we're hearing. Anyway, I'm Joe, this is my channel, and if you're into things like the outside and creating content and the tools that we use to create that content, then go ahead and hit subscribe and like, and I will see you in the next one. If you're into mountain biking, stick around, I'll throw some footage into the video of my ride today. I'm in the mountains outside of Las Vegas, and I'll put in some information about my bike. All right, thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.